Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is simple cauliflower stir fry. Goes well with rice and chapati. Let's get started with the recipe. Heat up the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add finely chopped onion. Cook till the onion turns transparent. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook till the raw smell goes. Once the raw smell goes and onion turns transparent, add salt as required. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and saute it. Add finely chopped tomatoes. Saute it and cook till the tomatoes turn soft. Once the tomatoes turn soft, add chopped and rinsed cauliflower. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Give a stir. Close the lid and cook it in medium flame. Stir in between and cook till the cauliflower turns soft and cooks well. Once the cauliflower cooks well, add some curry leaves. Now the simple cauliflower stir fry is ready to serve. So friends, try out this recipe. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's cookbook for more recipes.